Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to order Chick-fil-A through Doordash. Alright, so first of all, here's a common question. It's like, can I place my delivery through Doordash on the Chick-fil-A app? Yes, you can. So then that out of the way, first go to Doordash website or app. I'm on the website here. If you're just using the website, just type doordash.com, then in your browser and then search for Chick-fil-A. And then you will see the menu pop up. All right, so choose whatever you want to order and then select your location and search for Chick-fil-A near you, like enter your delivery address here, or you can find stores near you on the same page. Now make sure your delivery address is correct before you order, and you can enter your address manually or let DoorDash you use your current location. You just need to turn on your location and allow the app access. And that's all there is to it. You can like get your food in about 40 minutes and move. So once you pick your item, click add to cart and then check out. And that's all there is to it. You can choose between delivery or pickup. For this tutorial, I'm going to show only delivery only. Alright, so it's the full menu here: salads, plates, kids meals, and then make sure to have an account ready. So make sure sign up if you don't have an account, or sign in if you have an account. And that's it. Your Chick-fil-A is on the way. Enjoy your meal, and I'll see you in the next video.